God is great. Mfethu ama-closing remarks ami ngicela ukuyishaya fast le nto. Ngisanda kusindiswa mfethu, khona abantu engingakhuluma ngabo bebesuke e-America bezominister kuthina. Ngisanda kusindiswa mhlawumbe nginenyanga eziwu-2. This guy mfethu, he was a leader, great leader. Wafika kumina wathi ucela ngimkhulekele, yabo. And I was like, hayibo kanjani mina ngikhulekela lensizwa lena, yabo. I think 3 years later ngase ngiyamkhumbuza ngathi yazi wena khona into owayenza wathi kumina ngikukhulekele 3 years ago. Uthi ngathi that thing yangishintsha. Wathi yeah, I was deliberate about it. Ngenza ngamasibomu ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungikhulekele. Ngazi kahle amhlophe uthi usanda kusindiswa usamncane okholweni. Why ngisho lento kwesinye isikhathi sibuka abantu siba idolize and ligama loku idolize alikho right. Khona lento nokuyigcizelela vuma ukuthi ucela abalaleli bakhulekele umsakazo. Ngicela ukuemphasize lento ukuthi powerful kanjani. uPaul befika abhala ama-letters abhalela amabandla mfethu ubabona ukuthi labantu basa-fragile ba-vulnerable but aphinde acele bona ukuthi ngicela nisikhulekele nenze sure ukuthi niyasikhulekela. Azikho itaring okholweni. Yazi ngisho ngathi umuntu uNkulunkulu umsebenzisa in a mighty way mfethu. Never rob that person in prayer. That's all I wanted to say. God is love. Thank you so much. Yeah, uthulani. Yeah.